Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money instantly with Cash App. So if you want to do that, the first thing you have to do is you will make sure that the Cash App is downloaded and installed on your device, and it can also be used both on PC and on mobile phone. Once you do that, log on your account. Then once you log it on, then you input your account password. Once you are already logged to the account, then you tap on the bank tab. So once you do that, try and add up a debit card or a credit card or a bank account for transaction. Once you do that, you can just also try and link a debit card to ensure instant transaction without extra fee. Once you do that, try and locate the icon on the screen and enter the amount you want to send. Once you undergo the process, then tap on pay after entering the amount. Input the recipient's details, which is the details of the person receiving the money from the other end. Input the recipient details, then tap on the Cash App tag, then add your unique Cash App username together with your email address and your phone number. Double check the details to ensure accuracy so that you will not lose your fund. Once you do that, then you can also include a short note just for the person on the other hand, so that the person can know that this money is actually coming from you. Then the person also understand the purpose of you sending the money. So you can also add that to the description bar at the down part of the transaction button. Once you do that, then tap on pay to confirm the transaction, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.